Man, if y'all made fun of me for my hair and just all this right now, I wouldn't even blame you. So Zoom session's over with for today. Gonna head to Belle Isle and walk around, probably eat some lunch, and yeah. So gonna video that and see what we see. Man, back from Belle Isle. It's beautiful outside. It's been a really good to just get out and um, get some fresh air when you can. Obviously, stuff is crazy right now. You don't know, if someone's infected with the virus or what's safe, what's not. But what I can tell you is it is very, very beneficial to get out and get some fresh air. Now, obviously, going and spending time in heavily populated places may not be the best idea, but if you can go outside, even in your backyard or just something, and get some fresh air and stuff like that, it's a really good idea. um, something that is something that I've been doing more often is doing some stretching, which doesn't seem like a whole lot, but it is very beneficial. It relaxes you. It helps you out with circulation of your blood, just all that kind of stuff that is very beneficial. And I wish that somebody would have told me how important stretching was when I was your guys' age. And I wish I would have done it a lot more because now, and you might see it, I'm very, very stiff and inflexible. My back has a lot of problems from it. My legs have a lot of problems from it. But gonna do some stretching and yeah, we'll see what it looks like. So I know that was really quick on your guys' end, only a couple seconds, but that was like 2 minutes for me, and that 2 minutes honestly felt really good. So it's just something very simple that doesn't take a whole lot of time that can really help. Okay, so if you're really frustrated with homework or something, take a step back, stretch out a little bit, and then work on it. I don't know, just simple things that in this time of being stressed out a lot and having to take on a lot of responsibility. It's just small things like that that can really, really help. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what else will be going on today. I'm hoping that some of the footage that I took over at Belle Isle is good footage. It's a little windy out, so if that ruined it, I'll cut that out and everything. But other than that, gonna be staying on top of stuff here. Trying to think, probably gonna make eggs tonight. Might film that. So, all right. So I'm going to pull up W14 on my computer, and just going to talk about a few problems, so that way you guys can go back and listen to some of the things that I say that could possibly help you out as we go over them. So, without further ado, once this question loads up, okay, it says Alexa buys 2 postcards during each day of vacation. How many days will Alexa have to spend on vacation before she will have bought a total of 16 postcards? So, one thing that I like to focus on is, what does the question ask? Okay, it says how many days. So what we do not know is the amount of days. Okay? So, if you were to go ahead and write out an equation for this, if I pull up my sketch pad as it loads here, again, we are doing 2 postcards per day. Per day. So we would have our 2 for postcards times D, which is the amount of days. Okay? And if we go back to our problem, it says we want a total of 16 postcards. Okay? When we have a total of something, we put an equal sign and 16. Okay? We should know that together 2 times D, is 2D equals 16. Once you're at that point, divide both sides by 2 These cancel out. We're left with just d equals 16 divided by 2, which would give us 8. So if we put that in, our answer would be 8 days. All right, so if we jump to the next level, okay, it says a corporate team building event costs $17 plus an additional $1 per attendee. How many attendees can there be at most if the budget for the corporate team building event is $24? Okay, so again, focusing on that question, how many attendees? Okay, that's what we don't know. Okay, so if we use the variable A for attendees, we have our variable A. Okay, so then we need to figure out, all right, per attendee, it costs $1. Okay, so we can put a 1 in front of A because it's 1 times A. Okay, now the initial startup cost was $17. So we would then need to add 17, and that would be equal to 24 because that was our total. Wow, I am just going to rewrite this as 1A plus 17 equals 24. Much better. All right, so now at this point, take care of this at adding 17. Got to subtract it from both sides. I wrote add. Subtract it from both sides. We would be left with A equals 24 minus 17 is 7. So if we flip on back, we would have 7. All right, so carpet cleaner charges $24 to travel to the customer's home, $16 per room cleaned. The carpet cleaner charged $88. How many rooms did he clean? Okay, so we don't know R. Come on. We don't know R. We don't know the amount of rooms. That's our variable. Come on. All right. It says $16 per room. So 16 gets paired with R. Charges $24 to travel to the customer's home. So you got to pay that no matter what. You're going to add 24 and then the total of $88. So 16R plus 24 equals 88. We need to get rid of this first. Get rid of what is Get rid of what is not attached to the variable. So this 24, and then you guys should know by now we got to do the opposite. 88 minus 24. 8 minus 4 give us 4. 8 minus 2 give us 64. These cancel out. 16R comes down. Wow. As I continue to get better at this. Sorry, guys. So 16R equals 64. If we divide both sides by 16, R is going to equal 4. We go back. We put 4 in. Bada bing, bada boom. We're good. All right, now we're in the challenge zone. Once you get to 90, you guys know this is the challenge zone, but we still do this same process. Yes, we've got some decimals in here. Don't freak out, please. Okay, so sapling started out 15.18 inches tall, grew 3.96 per year. How old was the sapling when it was 42.9 inches tall? Okay, how old was it? Okay, that's in terms of years. Okay, so let me pull the sketch pad back up. We put a new one on. Okay, how old was it in years? So why? Okay, 15.8 is what it started at, but this 3.96 per year is what we have to attach to y. 3.96 y, and it started out 15.18 inches tall, so we got to add that together. Did I put that backwards? I think I did. No, I didn't. Sweet. And then that's going to equal our total of 42.9 inches tall. Okay, so same process. What is not attached to the variable? All right, these cancel out. So this is like 0.90. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3.96y equals 27.72. Divide both sides by 3.96. Y is going to equal, I don't know that off the top of my head. I think it's 8, but let's check. 27.72 divided by, what was it, 3.96? Yes. It is 7. The answer is 7. So, go back, put our answer in. Boom. Been working through these problems and everything. I don't know if I, knew it, but I had my trusty sidekick right here the whole time. You were there to help me, weren't you, Phil? So I hope those videos were able to help you out. Obviously, I understand I walked through them pretty quickly, but I think the nice part about this being on YouTube is the fact that you can go back, you can pause it, you can follow along, you can use it however you need it. Okay, please do. I know for the most part, I haven't been crazy active on this, but I definitely want to upload stuff more frequently in regards to math stuff, what's going on. Probably going to make a nice combination of it. But overall, I enjoy doing this. I know I haven't been a whole, lot consistent with it right now, but that's because I'm really having a hard time figuring out what to upload. I'm not going to put gaming on this channel. I know you guys know I play Xbox. My controller's right here. I play at this spot right here. But I'm not going to upload that because this channel is for, content, that is relative to school and, getting to know each other and whatever. There may be, some things here and there where I put some gaming stuff on there, but until then, I'm not going to do that. But we'll see. I want this to be beneficial for you guys. I hope you use it as much as possible. But during this quarantine time, I'm kind of stuck with what I can do. I kind of just relax at my desk all day for the most part. Answering questions for you guys and doing that kind of stuff. So uploading vlogs and stuff like that isn't necessarily the easiest thing. So I'm gonna keep my ideas going and everything. I am gonna try and start to golf soon. So I'll probably bring you guys along for that. You can see how bad I am. That'll be funny. But it'll also be cool to get out and do something. Today went over to Belle Isle. Most of the stuff that I recorded over there wasn't that good. There was a little bit of wind, some construction in the background and stuff like that. But it's all good. Just little stuff like that I'm gonna continue to try and do and everything. I know you guys love seeing the cat. He's right here. He doesn't change much though. So, but yeah. If anything else goes on today, I'll definitely record it and upload it, so you guys can see it, see what's going on in my life. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this and everything. Please use this to help you out if you need it. If you need something to do for a few minutes out of the day, you can sit here and listen to me talk, as much as I know that's not your favorite thing to do. But if you need something to do, there it is. It's beautiful outside, so figured I had to get another walk in. Just walk over to this gas station that is by where I live. Probably get a pop. Got to treat yourself after a long day. So